Hello guys! Today we're gonna do something really different. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Bill.
And I'm Selyna.
And we are raised in Thailand. If you're new to the channel. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it to Selyna here to show you how to use this application that you can teach your child. It can help you draw. It can help your kid color part of the drawing. It can even make the drawing into a realistic image. So let's see what we can do here. So Selyna, do you have it ready? Okay, there is the application. What do you want to draw today, by the way? Did you think about that?
I want to draw a person today.
Okay, good. Let's go. So you're using your hand right now to draw? Yeah.
Because my Apple Pencil doesn't have any battery.
Oh yeah, okay. So what are you drawing? I think that is the head, right?
Yes, and this is the body.
Yeah. Okay, so let's write something. What about, can you put eyes and mouth on this?
Can I put a face?
Yeah.
Can you put a face?
Yeah. There we are. That's pretty good.
Look real.
Okay.
Better than my drawing.
That's pretty good. So let's try,
Color.
I don't know. Yeah, try some coloring. Okay, so let's say that now you're just gonna ask AI to color it perfectly. Is that how it works?
Yes.
Maybe instead of writing, can you just talk?
Yeah.
Try that.
Can you finish the coloring?
Okay, let's see what happens. Wow, that's pretty good. So you could maybe like, you don't want a hair the same color. Maybe you could say like change the color.
Change the color. Change the color here to pink.
Yeah, you could say color on the hair, like make it more, yeah.
On?
Yeah, color on the. Okay, so that works pretty well. Can you try to, I saw you play with this yesterday, and I saw that Selyna made a picture or like a drawing like this into a real looking image. So I was just wondering, can you show us that again? So try to make this into a realistic image.
Make this person look realistic.
Okay, so that, yeah, the face looks realistic, more realistic, not perfect. Yesterday I saw you do a cat and it really just looked like a real cat almost.
Maybe I just draw a new cat is better.
I don't know. Can you say like, maybe say, make it look like an image?
Make the person look like an image.
Or maybe photography would be better. Okay, he doesn't really know what to do. Try it, instead of image, write photography.
I don't know how to write that.
Yeah, just say it. Photography. It's wrong there grammatically, but it doesn't matter. AI understands us, even though we cannot write English. Yeah? Okay. Yeah.
I think it's worse.
Yeah. But you don't have the cat that you drew with this yesterday. Do you have a screenshot of it?
I don't think so.
Okay. So what did you do different when you got that realistic looking cat?
I just said make the cat look realistic and then it made it.
Okay. So this is, guys, this is like in the testing phase. It's a demo. It's probably not on the market yet, and there's a little limit to it. So if you use it for half an hour, say, then it will stop. But we'll put the link in the description, and then you can try it for yourself and teach your kids. Okay, anything else, Selyna, you want to say about this application?
I want to draw more.
Yeah, you can draw more. Let's do that.
Raised in Thailand, is a YouTube channel for parents with language learning children. If you wanna learn more, subscribe to Raised in Thailand. The channel that you love is Raised in Thailand.